In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a bill in Zoho Books. Managing finances efficiently is crucial for any business, and keeping track of bills is a significant part of that process. Zoho Books offers a user-friendly way to organize and manage your bills, streamlining how you handle your purchases and payments. Let's dive in and go through the steps to create a new bill in Zoho Books effortlessly. First, you'll need to navigate to the Bills section. Open up Zoho Books and look to the left-hand sidebar for the Purchases menu. Click on it, and within the drop-down, you'll see an option labeled Bills. You can also quickly access this section by using the keyboard shortcut, Shift+B. This is your destination for everything related to bills, where you can view past entries and manage your bill payments. Now, let's add a new bill into the system. Once you're in the Bills section, head over to the top right corner of the screen where you'll find the Plus New button. Clicking on this will allow you to start the process of entering a new bill. For those who love shortcuts, pressing C followed by B will get you here even faster. Taking advantage of these shortcuts is a great way to save time as you manage this part of your finances. Moving on, it's time to complete the details for your new bill. Begin by selecting the vendor for the bill. This is the company or individual you are paying, so make sure to choose the correct entry from your existing list in Zoho Books or add a new one if needed. Up next is entering the bill number, which is usually the reference number found on the bill or invoice you received from the vendor. This number helps you match the entry with your vendor's documentation. If your bill relates to a specific purchase order, you can enter the order number linked to that order. This step is optional, but including this information can be beneficial for internal tracking and reporting. The more detailed your records, the better. The next part involves setting the bill date and the due date. The bill date should reflect the date on the vendor's bill. Meanwhile, the due date is when payment needs to be made. Zoho Books makes this easier by letting you select payment terms. If your agreement with the vendor specifies terms like net 15, choosing this option will automatically populate the due date field with the date that is 15 days after the bill date. It's these smart features in Zoho Books that help you stay organized and avoid late fees. That's it! You've successfully created a new bill in Zoho Books. Whether handling a few vendors or managing numerous transactions, this process keeps your accounts payable organized and up to date. Stay diligent with these entries to maintain an efficient financial workflow, ensuring your business runs smoothly. Thanks for watching, and remember to check back for more tutorials on using Zoho Books and other finance management tools.